Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Strava. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about Strava app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.